Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Shopify affiliate app for partner referrals, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Shopify's official website and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Partners section at the top of the page. Click on the Partners link to navigate to the Shopify Partners page. If you don't already have an account, click on the Join Now button to create one. Fill out the required information to sign up as a Shopify partner. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your partner dashboard. From here, locate the Apps section on the dashboard sidebar. Click on the Apps section to explore available applications. In the search bar, type Shopify Affiliate to find the affiliate app. Once you locate the Shopify affiliate app, click on it to open the details page. Review the app details and requirements carefully. When you're ready, click on the Add App button to initiate the download. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to add the app to your account. Confirm the addition by clicking the appropriate button. After confirmation, the app will start downloading to your Shopify account. Once the download is complete, you will receive a notification. Navigate back to the Apps section in your dashboard to find the newly downloaded affiliate app. Click on the app to begin configuring it for your partner referrals. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account preferences. Customize your affiliate link settings according to your marketing plan. After configuring your settings, save the changes to ensure they are applied. You are now ready to start attracting partners and generating referrals with the Shopify affiliate app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.